A common mistake on Florida properties leads to expensive fines, violating the 25% pruning rule. In most counties, you cannot prune more than 25% of a tree's canopy without approval. Break this rule and you face fines of $500 or more per tree, plus mandatory replacement. Often, a client pushes for drastic cuts. You might top the tree or hat rack it to make them happy, but this leads to code violations. Topping is bad practice. It invites disease, weakens the tree, and triggers enforcement. The 25% rule is buried in local tree preservation ordinances, often listed as significant pruning or canopy reduction limits. Orange, Seminole, and Osceola counties all enforce this. If your project requires a tree permit, inspectors will measure canopy loss. If you're over the threshold without documentation from a certified arborist, you're in violation. So what's the solution? Partner with an ISA certified arborist before making major cuts. They'll help you maintain the tree's natural form while keeping you compliant. Always check your county code, document everything, and protect yourself from avoidable fines. One pruning mistake can cost you thousands, delay your certificate of occupancy, and damage your reputation. Don't let that happen. Know the rule, and if you're unsure, call an arborist first. The rule is simple: 25% or less, you're fine. More than that, get approval first or pay the price later. If you're dealing with Florida codes and need clarity, join the conversation to keep your projects compliant. Let's connect on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.